What's good? What's up? Hey, hey. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm about to do my first video that is being promoted by BULADOU Hair. I'm doing their hair review, and that is what I have on my head, as you can see. So without them, this video would definitely have not been possible. I want to say a very big thank you to BULADOU Hair for sponsoring this video. I have their the link to the hair down in the description box, and also they are giving you guys 8% off if you decide to purchase this hair. So this hair came in this box. If you have not watched my unboxing, I'm gonna leave the link down in the description box again. You can go check it out and see how the package came in. But it came in this box, which is super convenient. You can actually use it to store your hair. That way you don't tangle it up or mess it up. Like whenever you get back, you just, you know, and just throw it in there, and it is in safe hands. So I'm really happy with the packaging of their hair. And also when it comes to tenderness, I love how tender and soft their hair is. It is easy to play with, and you can, you know, manipulate it to the way you want it to look. The curls didn't come out like this. It was more tighter, but then I detangled it a little bit because I wanted it fuller, which I love. And also it didn't shed that much. It just shed a little bit, which you find out in the video, just a little bit. So overall, I'll give this hair a 10 because it's one of the few hairs that I've found actually like almost no problem with. So for BULADOU hair, I would just say next time just make it a little bit fuller, because the more full it looks, the nicer and natural it looks. But then you can still separate the curls, that way it becomes full. But if you really like I don't know, but I really love this curls by separating it. If you like the tighter ones, then I guess it might not be that full for you, but I love this. So as you can see, first of all, it's like a straight patch. It's not really shredding. You know, separate the curls a little bit to increase the volume, like that, and you should be good. I love the way the patch is because you can bring it up front, you can go to the middle, you can take it to the back, you can bring it from like the back to the middle like this. I mean from the middle to the front. So it is super soft. I'm in love with the softness of the hair. And it has this 2 combs to secure your hair, and this string that you can pull if you're trying to get just like a round patch right here. So the hair is 100% human wig. It does not smell and it doesn't itch either, so it's basically good for a sensitive skin. Now my hair is showing over here. You don't want that, so pull it, and as you see, the side is pulled over. I'm gonna pull it down. So trying to separate the curls. This is how much the hair shed. It's not that much. Oops. It is really not that much. So this is the final look. I love it. I love how it turned out. I love the curls, y'all. The curls is really popping. It was a really quick hairstyle that you can easily do. It is on fleek. I think that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I'm gonna leave a link to the hair in the description box below, which you can get on Amazon, but the link is going to be in the description box. And make sure you use the 8% off code, which is BULADOU5. I'm going to leave it down in the description box, and you can use it when purchasing the hair. So I think that's it for today. Peace out. Bye.